Turn your passion into a powerful online presence and build a stunning portfolio website with Wix, all in under 90 seconds. First, let's dive into the Wix template selection. Head over to Wix.com and click on Get Started. You'll be presented with a vast library of professionally designed templates for a portfolio. Filter by categories like portfolio, photography, design, or artists. Look for templates that offer clean layouts and ample space to showcase your work visually. Click on a template that catches your eye to preview it. Don't worry, you can switch later if you change your mind. Once you've chosen a template, we enter the Wix Editor. This is where the magic happens. The drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly intuitive. See this text box? Simply click and type to change it. Want to add more sections? Click the Add button on the left and explore different elements like galleries, image strips, or contact forms. Now, let's integrate your content to showcase your projects. You'll typically use a gallery. Click on your existing gallery, then click Change Image or Manage Media here. You can upload your own high-quality images and videos. Remember to add descriptive titles and perhaps a brief explanation for each piece. Personalization is key to make your portfolio truly yours. Explore the customization options. Click on any element to access its settings. You can change fonts, adjust colors to match your branding, resize elements, and easily reposition them. Make sure to add your logo to the header for a professional touch. Finally, to ensure people find your amazing work, we need to optimize for search engines. Navigate to the SEO settings. This is crucial. Fill in your page title with keywords that describe your skills, like graphic designer, portfolio, or freelance photographer. Write a concise description that accurately summarizes your services and what visitors will find. This will help you rank higher in Google searches. And there you have it, a professional, polished portfolio website built with Wix, ready to impress. Now go forth and share your talents with the world.